So here we call the word ferry. So as you know, this one is taxi, right? It's on the road, and this one is subway. It means almost a train, but it's the same train. But this one we just go around to see some zoo, like that. Okay, some zoo it means a lot of dangerous animal that you have to go with subway. Okay, so one way. So now we move to number 5. Can you see in your student book, please? Okay. So now number 5. What is it, teacher? Okay, here very short, a very short word. Okay. So this one all of you know, right? Okay. Okay. Here, look at here. What is it? Okay. What is it? Anybody know, right? Okay. Bus. Okay. Read again. Bus. Okay. Okay, here, bus. So when you come to school, some of you get the bus, some of you, mommy or daddy send you to the school, right? Okay. So some of your friends get the bus, okay, to come to the school. Okay, so read again. Bus. Again. Bus. Okay. So can you tell teacher how many letters in the word bus? There are only 3, right? 3 words. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3. So easy for you to write it. B-U-S, bus. Okay, very good. Now the last one. Okay, the last one. This one. Okay, what is it, teacher? Okay, here. Trolley. Can you read again with me? Trolley. Okay. What the trolley, teacher? I don't understand. Okay. Actually, trolley it's like the small train, you know, the small train. But this one is big one and the longer one. But this one, trolley is the small one that they can bring you to like the small place, like go to the small place to look anything like or maybe 30 minutes or 15 minutes they bring you to look around. Okay, like teacher explain you like you want to see the lion, you want to see the anything like you don't want to walk that so you go with the trolley. Okay, so can you read again? Trolley. Okay. Okay, now let's move. Okay, can you tell teacher how many letters in the trolley? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 letters in the word trolley, right? Okay, good. So now can we review again, please? Okay, with teacher. Okay, here the unit 8. On the go. It means we ride on and then we go. Okay, it means like that. Okay, now let's go. Number 1, taxi. Okay. Number 2, subway. Okay, again, subway. Okay. Number 3, this one. So sorry. Okay, let's see. Train. Okay. Train. Okay. Again, train. So this one is easy for you. It's okay. And now the last one. What is it? Number 4. Okay. Ferry. Read again. Ferry. This one, like teacher explained you, is in the big water that we cannot go by own, but we will go by this one. Okay. To another place. Okay. Here, number 5. Can you read this one?